Turn off your laser machine. Move the laser head forward. Unscrew the nut. Pull out the air pipe. Remove the flexible cable from the clips. Hold the clip and unplug the wire from the socket. Remove the 2 screws that secure the circuit board. Use a pair of tweezers to remove the glue. Disconnect the wire gently. Move the laser head to the front right corner. Remove the 4 screws that secure the laser head. Please hold the laser head when removing the top screws. Now, the 40-watt laser head is successfully removed. Here's how to reinstall your 40-watt laser head. Note the position of the back screw holes. Make sure the screws align with the screw holes. Put the laser head into place and hold it with your hand. Use the screwdriver to secure the 40-watt laser head with screws firmly. Place the flexible cable and snap it into place. Move the laser head to the left. Clip the flexible cable. Plug the wires into the socket carefully. Align the hole and secure it with screws. Connect the air pipe and lock it with screw nut. Turn on the laser machine. The laser head will move to the home position. Close the lid.